Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Coding Learners. So this is the hashtag day third of the 30 days of code. So we have to solve the next question of the Java loop one. Before that, you have to subscribe my channel and share. Then we have to start the HackerRank Java solution series of Java loops. Then don't waste our time and move forward. Go to the official website of the HackerRank, and if you go to the official website, you see that we have covered the topic of Java standard input and standard output a day before, and Java if else is also we have covered. So now today's topic is Java loop one. Java loop one is a very easy question. So now, firstly, we have to read the objective. In this challenge, we are going to use loops to help us to do simple math. We have given a task. You see that the given an integer n, print its first 10 multiples. Means you have to print a table which is given by a user a particular number. Means a user gives a input of 2. Then you have to print the table of 2. If the user gives the input of table 5, you have to print the format of the fifth table. So if we talk about the input format, a single integer n, and output format is also given by the is print 10 lines of output, each line I, where I is less than 1 and greater equal to 10, contains the result of n cross I. So the sample output is also given. So this is a very simple loop question. So don't waste our time and move forward. You have see the public class solution. Yes, the int n equal to integer dot parse int buffered reader dot read line. You have one plus point that the hacker line gives you the input before. We have don't take any input. We have to done the logic only. So for the finding the logic of the table, we have to using the for loop. Now write the for loop synthetically, and then int I equal to, if the loop start from 0, it is not the table print, because the if we talk about the table, the 2 ones are 2 cross 1 equal to 2. So we have to start the loop from 1, then terminator, then I is less than or equal to 10, because the in table there are 10 multiples only. Then we have to try that I plus plus till the 10 digit. So now we have, there are many ways to solve this logic, but we have to print the simple logic. Direct system dot out dot println. Are you understand what I am saying? That the input integer is given. Basically, before at that time the user input the integer n value. So we have firstly print this format. You see that the sample output. So firstly we have to write capital N. Then to add the strings in the Java, we use the addition. Then we have to write cross multiplication as it is, which is shown between the table. And then again plus, then we have to write the I value, which is very important in it. Don't miss it. Then we have write equal to in the braces. Then after that we have to write the n cross I, which is the value of our table, which we have to want to print. Then the terminator, now we have to run the code. I think it's right. No, sample output 2 cross 1. There is a misunderstanding between the gap between the I. So don't worry. We have to gap between the x. Then move forward. Now we have to run the code again. You see that the sample test case is run, and we have to now submit the code. It takes some time to process. Wait. Hmm. Again submit the code. Running state test case 0 is part, test case 1 is also part. So if you like my video, then like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.